morning students. Today we are going to start the letter chapter. In previous two videos I described about the soul of the chapter. I described about the characters. I described about the main points of the chapter and summary of the chapter. So today we are going forward. So first point is Adela fights for the peddler. In the previous video, you have seen that peddler has reached at the house of Iron Master, and you are also aware about that Iron Master mistook him, his old regimental friend, but when he came in front of him after dressing and after bathing, shaving, when he wore all the nice clothes, so he was looking like a gentleman, but Iron Master came to know that he is not his old regimental friend. But students, now problem is created that Iron Master wants to hand over him to the sheriff. But what happened further? This is given here. Adela fights for the peddler. Now, as I told you in the starting of the chapter, that Adela is a very social character and Adela fights for the peddler. How does Adela fight for the peddler? This is given. The Iron Master asked the peddler to leave, but Adela wanted him to stay there. At once Iron Master said to him that leave my house, otherwise I will hand over to you to the police. But Adela says, no dad, he will stay with us. After this, the father of Adela became ready and he accepted the proposal of his own daughter. The vagabond got surprised by this gesture, and watching this, behavior of the girl towards the stranger, while Adela does not know to that particular person, but despite of that, she persuaded his father that father, don't go him back. So watching this behavior of the girl, peddler was very impressed, and the peddler slept soundly. After that, it seemed that he had never slept as quietly and safely. After getting the permission for staying there, now peddler at the lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything properly, and he took a sound sleep every time, and it was seeming that he did not take such a sleep since a long time. As this is given here, it seemed that he had never slept as quietly and safely. So this is also important thing. Next, she told him that he was welcome to spend the next Christmas with them also. And after that, Adela offered him for the next Christmas also, that if you want to celebrate the next Christmas with us, you are welcome, you can come here. Students, you will see that such a kind behavior is shown by that girl towards the peddler, that peddler was impressed, and in that way we can say that Adela fights for the peddler, and she went against to his decision, and after that father had to accept it, and he stayed there. Peddler was very happy and very impressed by this behavior of the girl. Now students, further we are coming on, the peddler becomes a changed man. So question is this, how did he become a changed person? The next morning, the Iron Master and his daughter went to the church. Of the very next morning, they were going for the Christmas service in the church. And they left to the peddler at home. At that time, peddler was sleeping. But when they went in the church, they met to the different people, and they heard that a croaker is robbed by a peddler. Hearing that, the father of Edla was very angry at his daughter, and they came back at home. So what did they find at home? This is given here. The vagabond had left something for Edla, means before coming back to Edla and her father, peddler had gone from the house, but he left something for Edla. Now this was the question. What did he leave for Edla? This is given here. The vagabond had left something for Edla. Edla opened a package and found a rat trap. In the rat trap were 3 wrinkled 10 krona notes and a letter. So peddler left a very special gift for Edla. And what was the special gift? He left a rat trap. In the rat trap there was 3 wrinkled 10 krona notes and there was a letter. In that letter he expressed his feeling and accepted about his crime, about his dishonest deed which he did. And at last he says that I am treated as a captain at your house, and from today I am going to change my way. And at last he signed as Captain Monster. So this was the story, and you have seen that how did peddler change his life only through one character, and which one is that character? Edla will mention. He was impressed by the behavior of iron master's daughter, and watching her behavior he changed his way. So this was the story of the rat trap chapter. Rat trap chapter has been completed. Students, I will send you some question answer in PDF file you will do in your fair notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.